Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the pencil actually has power. Remove the cap and connect it to your iPad or a lightning cable for at least 15 to 30 minutes so the internal battery wakes up. Once done, make sure your iPad model supports Pencil Gen 1 and that Bluetooth is enabled. Next, restart the iPad to clear transient Bluetooth issues and inspect the lightning port and pencil tip for dirt or corrosion, because a poor connection often causes non-responsive behavior. Now focus on pairing and diagnosing input. Plug the pencil into the iPad's lightning port and accept the pairing prompt. If the prompt doesn't appear, unplug, lock the iPad, then try again. Swap or tighten the tip and test in Notes and a pressure-aware drawing app to separate hardware tip issues from Bluetooth problems. If it still fails, go to Bluetooth settings, forget the pencil, update iPad OS to the latest version, and attempt a fresh pairing, because software mismatches often block connectivity. Finish by performing a full charge cycle and a hard reset of the iPad. Sometimes the battery and Bluetooth stack need a complete restart to sync. Give the pencil an hour on power, then test again. If failures persist, gather receipts and device info and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics and possible replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings on the iPad to remove lingering Bluetooth conflicts. This often resolves stubborn pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.